Welcome to our online class, dear students. I hope you are well in this pandemic situation, COVID-19. Very soon, we believe that very soon we are going to overcome this problem. Up to overcome this problem, we need to continue our online class. That's why today I come again in front of you to take another grammar class. The last day we also discussed transformation of sentence. According to part of the transformation of sentence, today I am going to discuss changing sentence. According to classification, there are 5 kinds of sentence. Already I have written on the whiteboard. Look at the whiteboard. There are 5 kinds of sentence: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory. And assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative sentence are also 2 types. One can be affirmative and another can be negative. Today we will transform this sentence assertive to interrogative, assertive to imperative, or optative exclamatory, or exclamatory to assertive, or assertive to exclamatory. Such type of transformation of sentence we are going to change. How can we change this type of sentence? One by another we will discuss. Okay. Dear students, look at the whiteboard. I have written some sentences on the board, and very carefully you look at this sentence. How can we transform from affirmative to negative form? Already I have written some sentences. First sentence, Allah alone is Almighty. Whenever you get alone or only, instead of only and alone, whenever you transform it into negative, that time we write none but. So in here Allah is Almighty, so none but, then subject, none but Allah is Almighty. Okay. Then second sentence, only you can do this. In here only, instead of only, in here we write none but. None but you can do this. But whenever you get only in a sentence and it indicates some material things, then instead of material thing, in here we use to transform it into negative form, nothing but. For example, you have only few books. Few books, it's a one kind of material thing. So instead of only, we use in here nothing but. For example, you have nothing but few books. But if only indicates is, then instead of only, in here we use more than. Okay. Maybe for example, Shaheen is only 15. That means Shaheen is 15 years old in here. So only, instead of only, we use in here more than, not more than. Shaheen is not more than 15. Okay. But again, if you get in any sentence must, instead of must we can use to transform it into negative form cannot but. Cannot but. I have written in here cannot but. You must obey your parents. Its negative form will be you cannot but obey your parents. Okay. And just like this, I have written some sentences also. In that cases, what it will be. For example, whenever you get in a affirmative sentence every, what you will do to transform it into negative form. For example, every mother loves her child. So how can you transform it into negative form? First of all, you write there is no. There is no. Then everyone, every mother, everybody. So after every which word we use in here, that word we also use in here. There is no mother. Okay. Then what you will do? How can we transform it into, then there is no mother, then we use in here another but. Then remaining part of this sentence, loves her child. Okay, in this way we can transform it into negative form. Then again, if you get in a sentence always, I always remember you. Instead of always, we use never. I never remember you. Antonym will be forget. I never forget you. Okay, in this way you can, maybe he is a good boy. Not this. Not in here we use always. Sometimes we use adjective. In that cases, what you will do? Maybe he is a good boy. So in here, subject first, he is not a, adjective antonyms will be not a bad boy. Okay. In this way, if you get in a sentence both and, he drinks, maybe he drinks both tea, not drinks, he takes both tea and coffee. In here we use not only but also. He takes not only tea but also coffee. Okay, in this way you can transform it into affirmative form to negative form. Dear students, now we are going to discuss how can we transform assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence. Okay, assertive to dear students, look at the whiteboard again. How can we transform assertive sentence to interrogative sentence? Already these things you have learned in class 6, 7, 8. Again we are going to discuss some sentences also. For example, Lamia is a good student. Whenever you make it into interrogative form, then in here which auxiliary verb we use in here? Is. So you have to make it into interrogative negative. So is verb will come first and you add in here not. I have written in here short form isn't. Lamia a good student. Okay, in this way you can transform it into assertive to interrogative. Another example, Rakin is not fair. It is negative form. So just you use for making it into interrogative, is verb come first before subject. I use in here, is Rakin fair? Then it will be interrogative form. And third sentence, Salam never tells a lie. In here, for make it into interrogative form, auxiliary verb do, and in here use s, so in here yes we add does Salam ever tell a lie, then it will be interrogative form. And next sentence, everyone came to me. Whenever you make it into interrogative form, that time we use who. Who, then auxiliary verb, it's a past form, so did, then add not. Who didn't, and came, main verb is come to me, then it will be interrogative form. Who didn't come to me, then it will be interrogative form. Okay. Then nobody likes a liar, so it is negative sentence. So in here, who likes a liar, these are completely different from one another. If we use in affirmative form, then in here we use not. If we use in here negative form, then it will be affirmative form. Or does anybody like a liar? In this way you can transform assertive to interrogative sentence. Okay. Now dear students, we are going to transform another type. I am going to write this thing. Dear students, look at the whiteboard. How can we transform assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence? If you get in a assertive sentence A, instead of A we use hot. Okay. And if you don't get A, then we normally use how. For example, it is a very beautiful place, and instead of in here very, we use in here hot. Hot, a beautiful place, then subject and verb, and it's in here exclamation sign. And if you don't get A, in that time we use normally to transform how, we use how. For example, the house is very charming, so its exclamatory will be how charming. The house is very charming. In here, how charming the house is, and very will be omitted. In here, very will be omitted. Okay. Another example, whenever you will get I wish I were a king. In here, I wish, instead of I wish, in here I use in here if I were a king, then it will be exclamatory sentence. Then if you get any sentence had, and that time we use I wish I had the wings of a bird. I wish will be omitted and had will come first. Had I the wings of a bird, and then exclamation sign, then it will be exclamatory form. Next, I wish I could be a cricketer, and in here we can use would that I could be a cricketer, and in this way we can transform it assertive to exclamatory. And whenever you will get exclamatory sentence, maybe hot, a beautiful bar, a beautiful place it is, then you have to use instead of hot, in here we use very. It is a very beautiful place. And next, how charming the house is, in here double the. How charming the house is, the house is very charming, and vice versa. In this way we can transform assertive to exclamatory sentence. And sometimes we need to change assertive form to imperative form. For example, imperative form means order, advice, request, tell, etc. Such type of in that time we use maybe for example assertive to imperative. You go home at once. So you go home at once. It is assertive and its imperative form will be you omitted subject, go home at once. Go home at once. Sometimes you help me. And if you think that it's a one kind of request, then you use help me please, or you can write also please help me, and it will be imperative form. Assertive, imperative. In this way you can transform assertive to imperative form, and whenever you transform it assertive to optative form, we need to write before subject may. Assertive, you may go home. Now you go home at once, maybe not just like this, you go home. So we can write may you go home, and it will be optative. Miron helps me, then its optative will be assertive. May Miron help me. Because we don't use in here helps, because we already use one modal auxiliary may. That's why we need not to use in here helps. Okay, you look at this thing very carefully, and in this way we can transform it assertive to optative form. Okay, dear students, you will practice this thing more and more sentence from different grammar books, and if you practice, I believe that you will be so efficient to transform sentence, maybe assertive to interrogative, assertive to exclamatory, or exclamatory to assertive, maybe assertive to affirmative to negative, then vice versa. Different kinds of sentence you can change it very easily, and if you feel any problem, you will comments and I will give you the solution. Okay, today no more. Thank you.